Okay, so this is another question that we'll be looking at, still fraction, but if you notice, it's just a little bit more complex. Alright, so in this case, we would have to work the part that's in the bracket first. We notice we have 1 2/3 take away 5/6. So let's take that part and write it here to know that we need to work what's in the bracket first. Remember, order of operation always apply in mathematics. So let's go. Here we have a mixed number. We need to convert this mixed number to what's called an improper fraction. So what we do, we multiply the denominator by the whole number and add the numerator. So that's 3 times 1, 3, plus 2, that's 5, and we write back that over the denominator, and that's minus 5/6. We notice that the denominators are different, so we must find what is called LCM. What would be the LCM of 3 and 6? Meaning we need to find a number that 3 and 6 can go into, or that number should be able to divide 6 and 3 equally. So let's go. That number is 6. Okay, so we have 3 can go into 6 2 times, or the same thing as 6 divided by 3 equals 2. That 2 that we get, we use it to multiply our numerator. So that's 2 times 5, 10, and we put back our minus sign, and then 6 into itself goes 1 time, or 6 divided by 6 to 1. We use that 1 to multiply our numerator. So that's 1 times 5 is 5, so we write 5. And then we simplify the top part, which is 10 take away 5. We get 5. And then we write back that over 6. So here we got 5/6 for the part that's in the bracket. So we know this answer for the first part. Now this answer that we get, 5/6, we use it to divide 2 and 5/12. But this part is a mixed number, so we need to convert this part to an improper fraction. So we multiply the denominator by the whole number, which is 12 times 2, 24, and we add the 5, which would gives us 29 over 12. So we know that this is 5/6 divided by 29 over 12. Okay, good. We know that when we're dividing fraction, of course, we don't find LCM. What we do is write back the first fraction, we change our sign to multiplication, and we reciprocate or invert, same thing, the second fraction. So that's 12, and that's over 29. So we look to see if there's anything we can simplify. Of course, we can simplify the 6 and the 12 using the highest common factor, which is 6. So 6 into itself, 1, 6 into 12, 2. And remember, when we are multiplying fraction, we simply multiply the numerators and simply multiply the denominators. So this is 5 multiplied by 2, which is 10, and 1 multiplied by 29, which is still 29. We look at our final answer to see if there's anything we can simplify, but in this case we're not seeing a number that we can use to simplify both 10 and 29. So this is perfect. We leave our answer like this. I hope this video helps.